Hello, friends, and welcome to this third episode of this free SEO course. Today, I'm about to share one of the secrets and why our agency is better than the other SEO agencies. Because I'm going to show you one of the secrets that you will never find anywhere on YouTube or other social media. So, today, I'm going to share with you how to design a Shopify store in SEO-friendly manner. What does this mean? It means that the way you design your store is directly impacting your ranking on Google. And this is what I'm going to show you here. But before diving into the details, I have some great news for you today. Today is my birthday, 17 October. I was born in 84. Now I'm 41 years old. Yeah. So, guys, wish me happy birthday. Say in the comments, happy birthday, Marwan. And I'm about to share a great discount at the end of this video. I'm going to share 41% discount, which is my age now, to buy one of our services here, to buy SEO service, or to buy the Scrub theme, which is built for SEO conversions and speed, as you can see here, because I'm going to use the Scrub theme demo here to show you how to design your Shopify store in SEO friendly manner. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're gonna need to do here is the top banner here. I'm gonna use the theme customizer here so you can see it. Okay, so let me refresh the page. Yeah, so here is, because this one is animated, yeah. Okay, so the top banner here is where you're gonna show, for example, your free shipping promo, everything important about your service and product, 100% genuine, hassle-free. This is the first thing that people gonna see. And why this is important for SEO, because when people gonna read this, they're gonna stay more on the page. And the more people stay on the page, the more there's gonna give a great indicator to Google that this page has a great quality. Now Google has updated the algorithms again, and they will give more chance to websites or that give the people the chance to stay longer. For example, I have a website, people stay on average 40 seconds, and you have the same website, people stay 1 minute and a half. You have more chance to rank on Google than me, because this is a great indicator that Google gonna see that your page is of a higher quality, and that's why people stay longer. So the top banner here, if you go to Scrub theme, you're gonna find it here in marquee. You're gonna see all the details about marquee here. You can add text here, 100% genuine, free shipping, or add any other text. So the next thing that you're gonna need to do is this one, is the top menu bar. Top menu bar that contains the logo, the menu here, and the icons for search, for customer login, and here for wish list, and here for the cart. Why this one is important? Because I saw a lot of mistakes people do here in the logo. They try to make a big logo, and when you make a big logo, if you scroll down here, the logo gonna take more than 30% of the page, and it's gonna be harder for people to read your page, mainly if they are on mobile. Let's switch on mobile version here, so you can see when I scroll down, as you can see here, the logo doesn't take a lot of space in the top banner. So people have a large space to read the contents. Don't do this mistake, because people are not gonna see what your content is about, and they're gonna leave. If they leave, you're gonna lose the power of the time session duration. The more people stay on your page, the more it's beneficial for you, for Google to rank them on the first page. And the second thing to take in consideration is to make the navigation bar sticky while scrolling. Why? Because let's say, for example, I'm customer here, I'm scrolling down to see what the site is about, and this thing took my attention. For example, blog. I'm going to click on blog. And once I click on blog, I'm going to go to a next page. And this is a second great indicator to Google that this visitor has visited at least 2 pages, and this is going to reduce the bounce rate. The bounce rate is when people stay on just one page and they leave. This is the bounce rate. This is a bad signal to Google that your page is of a bad quality. So just by keeping your navigation menu sticky, you're going to increase your chance to rank on first page of Google. So sticky navigation bar is not just for fancy parts, it's for SEO too. Yeah. So let's go back to the homepage. So now I gave you 2 secrets about SEO in regards to the design. Now, let's move on to the third part. Here is the hero image or the carousel. Here on Scoop Theme, we used a carousel here. I used just one image here just for the demo, but for people, they can add more carousel here by clicking here and add an, for example, an image or a video. So carousel gonna appear here to give people more details about your product in an animated manner. But I always prefer to have just a sticky image. Why? Because this is the first thing that's gonna appear on mobile view. Let me show you here on mobile view. This is in regard to site speed, because site speed is also a third factor here. I'm mentioning here a secret that site speed is very important so that Google can rank you on the first page. So let me just show you one thing here on Scoop Theme. Let me show you why Scoop Theme is SEO friendly. Here we have lazy load images. Not recommended to lazy load images if the carousel is positioned above the fold. What does it mean above the fold? When you land on the page, let me, for example, refresh the page. When I refresh the page without scrolling down, this is above the fold. This is what we see without scrolling down. So we see the call to action here. We see the navigation menu, the top bar, and these things here. But this is also important for mobile. So if the image is above the fold, for example, you put it on the top, don't lazy load images. If the carousel, for example, in the center of the page, we can click here and lazy load the image. So you see now the power of Scoop Theme, and those feature doesn't exist in any other Shopify theme. So yeah, now let me give you another trick here, another secret. When you design, for example, this carousel, let me show you here. This is an image. Let me move to the desktop version here. When you design the image here, and as you see here on Scoop Theme, we have mobile image and desktop image. You can choose a different image from mobile and a different image for desktop. So this gives you more pace to design your Shopify store depending on the device. So for example, here the text that always feel right. The text that you see here, I write it as a subtitle here. This text, I write it as a title above the image. And those descriptions, etc., those are all written above the image. If you go to the demo here, you can select the text. And for Google, they can read the text. This text is readable by Google. This is H2 tag. I saw a lot of mistakes people do here. They upload an image as itself and the text is written there. Let me show you just an example. I'm just gonna save this as an image. Image example. And I'm gonna open it. As you see here, this is an image itself. I can't select the text. And there are two disadvantage of doing this. If, for example, I zoom out or I zoom in the image, you can see that the text is losing the quality. Why? Because this is a text embedded in the image. This is an image itself. And the second advantage or disadvantage I want to say is that Google can't read. Google can't read this text because Google is considering this as an image itself. So this is another secret I'm giving you today. Awesome. Now let's move on to the other secret to design your Shopify store in SEO-friendly manner. Now you have finished with your hero image with call to actions here. Now we're gonna move to the text. This is the most important part. When you design your Shopify store, try to add a brief description and the title about your business, so people can quickly understand what your business is about and what your website is about. But the best part here, let me just refresh here so I can save what I made here. So yeah, now let's move on to this part here. This is called rich text section. What differs group theme from other themes is that this rich text section here, when you add the title, you can automatically, or just by a simple click, assign H2 tag or H1 tag to this title here. And this is great because this doesn't exist in any other theme. If you want to do it, for example, on the DOM theme, you're going to need to hire a developer or touch the code, but you may break the theme. This is time consuming and money consuming too. But on Scoop theme, this is just by a simple click. You write, for example, the title here, you choose the H1 tag, and you're ready to go. So yeah, Scoop theme, it just I'm selling it here for $295. And as I said, type happy birthday Marwan. I'm gonna give you 41 discount at the end of this video, and the discount is gonna remain until the end of this month, October 2025. So this is a great opportunity for you if you want to grab Scoop theme, because this is an excellent Shopify theme for conversions, for SEO, and for speed. So yeah, now you did this part. Now let's move on to the other part. Now you have an image, or what we call that section here, image with text. Image with text, you're gonna give the people an image here about your product, title, description here, and call to action. So yeah, here try to add an image which is not heavy in size, because now we're going to start lazy loading images which are not above the fold. Now those images are not lazy loaded, and try to compress the image online. There are free tools. You can type, for example, compress image, and you have a lot of free tools here that you can use to compress the image, so it's not going to be a heavy image. And the more your site is fast, the more Google gonna give you the chance to rank on first page of Google. So until now, we have made a lot of secrets here in the top navigation here, navigation bar, hero text, rich text section here, image with text. Don't lazy load it, compress it. So you have now a great advantage above your competitor just by designing your store. For now, we didn't do any keyword research, any blogging, anything. For now, just design, you have the advantage over your competitors. And after that, once you make an image with text, etc., now you're gonna feature your product. Okay, don't feature your product here in the above, because people are not gonna like it, because they're gonna have the feeling that you are just trying to sell them, and people hate when you try just to sell them instead of giving them information. So here is the carousel with the product of this demo store here. After that, here is a parallax. Is what we call that a parallax section, which give a great vision of, for example, this is demo store about shoes. And after that, some reviews here, images, stars, etc. So here, people gonna stay longer on your landing page. This is the purpose. The purpose is that people need to stay longer on your page, so people or Google gonna give you the power, gonna give you this factor to rank over your competitors. For now, you are winning over your competitors. After that, you're gonna give some 3 perks about your business: secure payment, hassle-free returns, free shipping. People gonna read this, they're gonna see featured products here. For example, put your bestseller product. After that, give some FAQ. FAQ is so important for SEO. Why? Because people, if, for example, let me say, for example, we're gonna type, how long does it take to receive my order from Scroop? If they type this on Google, they're gonna get the direct answer here in this paragraph. And this is the power of FAQ, and mainly the FAQ of Scroop theme, because this is made just for SEO. You will not find that in any other Shopify theme. If I show you the code here, this is made for SEO. This is not a simple FAQ that you're gonna see on other theme. And this is the power of Scoop theme. Whenever some client of us buy Scoop theme and they hire our service, they have more chance to rank than the other competitors. Here, give some advantage of your business or your product, give some before and after. You can compare your competitors with yours or your product. For example, here, before and after. This is great. This is embedded in Scoop theme. This is a section that I personally recommended my developer to put it. Here is the slider after, before. You choose an image before, image after, and it's gonna shown here. Also on mobile, it's look pretty awesome. I like it. As you can see here on mobile, this is great because now people gonna try to play with this and they're gonna stay longer. If this say just 2 or 3 seconds longer than your competitors, you have the advantage, and that just with the design. We didn't touch any keywords, anything. Now we're gonna feature your articles here, okay? The articles from the blog. We're gonna talk about that later, about the blog, how to make the blog, etc. And as you can see here, we have the table of contents that exists in only Scoop theme. Anyway, we're gonna talk about that later. Now let's go back to the home page. As you can see, the theme is pretty fast. Check, for example, I was on the blog page here. I'm gonna click on home page. The theme is pretty fast. As you can see here, it's pretty fast. It loads, it has a lazy loading after that. So yeah, now we were on the articles here. Give the people the chance to read articles. They can go to a next page, and now they're gonna stay also longer. Now you can add your social following here. And this is all embedded in Scoop theme. There is no app, nothing. Follow us on Instagram. This is all in a great designed manner. Here, newsletter, subscribe. Here, follow us on TikTok, and those are all embed sections here on Scoop theme. As you can see here, those are all the sections embed on Scoop theme. Here you can you need to add the footer menu here, about you, about us, FAQ, description here, your social media accounts, etc. And you're done. So yeah, guys, so this video was quick, but I gave you some secrets that we use on our client store, because some people, they say, hey Marwan, do you charge too much? $4,500 for 3 months for SEO, because this is listed here. $4,500 for 3 months. They say, oh, this is too much. But listen, man, I have more than 15 years experience in e-commerce, and we do some exceptional things here on our client store to let them rank on Google. This is an investment. You can put those $4,500 on Google Ads. You may lose everything and you will not get your return on investment. But with SEO, with the professional work, you're gonna get it at 100%. It may take 6 months, 7 months, probably a year, or probably less, but it's guaranteed return. The traffic is gonna increase. You're just gonna need to put a great offer for your product, give some great services, and people gonna buy. So yeah, as I said, now I finished this tutorial, this third episode. In the next episode, we're gonna talk about the keywords, how to put the keywords on your page, on your home page, for example, this one, or on the article page, how to make a keyword research. So now it's gonna give you more advantages over your competitors. So yeah, now the discount code, you type happy birthday Marwan. I'm happy today because I'm 41 years old. So the discount code, you're gonna find it in the pinned comment. It's SCROPE41. It's gonna remain until the end of this month, October. So the code is available for buying Scoop theme, any license here, or buying the SEO service here, 41%. This is a great opportunity for you guys. So yeah, guys, if you have any comment about the design, how to design your Shopify store in SEO-friendly manner, put in the comments below. I will be glad to answer. See you guys in the next episode. Cheers.